Class 9th CBSC Chapter 5 Introduction to Euclid's Geometry Exercise 5.1 NCERT First term. Okay. Question 1. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reason for your answer. First point. Only one line can pass through a single point. First is false. Reason: infinitely many lines can pass through a single point. From a single point, infinitely many lines can pass. From a single point, infinitely many lines can pass. Second, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. From two distinct points, it is also false. Second is false. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. If there are 2 points, see, here is a point, here is a point, तो there only one line can pass. इस दोनों पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक ही लाइन पास हो सकती है. देखिए ये पॉइंट ए है, ये पॉइंट बी है, तो इन दोनों पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक लाइन पास हो सकती है. सो इट इज़ फॉल्स. गिवन टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट्स, देयर इज़ अ यूनिक लाइन दैट passes थ्रू देम. Third, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Third is true statement. Postulate 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Fourth, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Fourth is also true. If we superimpose one circle on the other, then they coincide. Fourth, I am repeating, fourth is true. If we superimpose one circle on the other, one circle इसके ऊपर दूसरा सर्किल रख दें, तो if we superimpose one circle on the other, then they coincide. Fifth, in figure 5.9, if AB equals to PQ and PQ equals to XY, then AB equals to XY. Yes, it is true. Exam 1. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Exam 1. Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Question 2. Question 2 is, consider two postulates given below. Question 2 is, define parallel lines, perpendicular lines, line segment, radius of a circle and square. Here, question 2 first, parallel lines. See, this is line L, this is line M. These two lines are parallel, so it is written as here L parallel to M. Here L is parallel to M. To first, parallel lines. If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the sum of co-interior angles 180 degree, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, never meets. Parallel lines never meet. Parallel lines never meet. Such lines are called parallel lines to each other. Falling on two straight lines makes the sum of co-interior angles 180 degree, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, never meets. Such lines are called parallel lines to each other. Here L, M, line L, line M, line S, L is perpendicular to line M. Here line L is perpendicular to line M. देखिए, these two lines are making 90 degree angle, so they are perpendicular. Perpendicular lines. If one line makes 90 degree angle with the other lines, then both the lines are perpendicular lines. If one line, see L, here M, तो L और M के बीच में एंगल क्या ड्रॉ हो रहा है? 90 डिग्री. तो ये क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स हुई. लाइन L, लाइन M, दोनों के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री, तो दे आर परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स. इफ वन लाइन मेक्स 90 डिग्री एंगल with the other lines, then both the lines are perpendicular lines. Third, line segment. Line segment. Line segment has a fixed length. See, देखो P and Q. P और Q के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है ये फिक्स है बेटा. P और Q के बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो फिक्स है. P and Q. Suppose it is 5 centimeter, so it is always 5 centimeter between P and Q. In this case, line segment, a line having fixed length is called a line segment. A line segment is a terminated line. Line segment is a terminated line. Again repeating, a line segment is a terminated line such that PQ is a line segment. PQ is a line segment. ये terminated है, ना इस साइड आगे बढ़ सकती है ना इस साइड आगे बढ़ सकती है, तो PQ is a line segment. Fourth, radius of a circle. The line segment joining any point on the circle to the center is called radius of a circle. See, here is a circle, here is its center. ये center है, ये circle है. One point P is taken on the circle. Circle पे एक point P ले लिया, तो this OP is radius. This OP is radius. This OP is radius. Radius is denoted by small r. Radius is denoted by small r. The line segment joining any point on the circle to the center is called radius of a circle. Fifth, square. Here is the figure of a square. See, all the angles are 90 degree. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Square. A square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and all angles are right angles. Square is what? Square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. Now answer 3. Yes, these postulates contain several undefined terms. Yes, these postulates contain several undefined terms. Yes, they are consistent. These postulates do not follow from Euclid's postulates. However, they follow from exam 5.1. ये postulates जो हैं ये यूक्लिड्स के postulates नहीं हैं, लेकिन ये exam 5.1 से लिए गए हैं. They are taken from exam 5.1. Answer 4. Parts. Line segment AB is divided into two equal parts. Line segment AB is divided into two equal parts. So see, here is line segment AB. It is divided into two equal parts. First part is AC, second part is BC. See, first part is AC, second part is CB. So this is AC, one cut, and CB, one cut. So these two parts are equal. Now AB equals to AC plus BC. See, AB equals to AC plus BC. AC plus BC equals to AC plus AC. Why? Since AC equals to BC given. देखो ये पार्ट इस पार्ट के इक्वल है, तो AC plus BC means AC plus AC. तो AB equals to 2AC. So it implies that AC equals to half AB. AC equals to half AB. It is proved. Equals are added to equals. Reason is equals are added to equals. Answer 5. Let a line segment has two midpoints C and D. किसी भी लाइन सेगमेंट्स के दो मिड पॉइंट्स ले लिया. दो मिड पॉइंट्स तो होते नहीं हैं. अ लाइन सेगमेंट हैज़ ओनली वन मिड पॉइंट, तो इट इज़ प्रूव्ड बाय कंट्राडिक्शन. अ लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी, इसके दो मिड पॉइंट सी और डी ले लिया. ओके, व्हेन सी इज़ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी, तो सी मिड पॉइंट है, तो ए सी इक्वल्स टू बी सी. फिर से सीखो बेटा, ए सी इक्वल्स टू बी सी. C is the midpoint of AB. AB equals to AC plus BC. तो ए बी इक्वल्स टू ए सी प्लस ए सी, तो ए बी इक्वल्स टू 2ac फर्स्ट. Similarly, when D is the midpoint of AB, suppose now D is the midpoint. अब जब D midpoint है तो AD इक्वल्स टू DB, तो AB इक्वल्स टू 2AD. Similarly, equation second, from equation first and second we have 2AC equals to 2AD, AC equals to AD. It shows C and D are coinciding points. Exam 1. Hence prove that a line segment can have only one midpoint. Listen with care. Hence proved that a line segment can have only one midpoint. We have to prove in this case AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD ये प्रूफ करना है. AB equals to CD. AB this part, this much is AB and this much is CD. So we have to prove कि this AB is equal to this CD. Okay. AC equals to BD given. AC equals to BD. AC equals to BD. It is given. Now AC equals to AB plus BC. AC equals to AB plus BC and BD equals to BC plus CD. BC plus CD, देखिए ये BD है तो BD equals to BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Putting values of AC and BD in equation. AB plus BC, BC plus CD. तो ए बी प्लस बी सी माइनस बी सी, बी सी ट्रांसपोज हुआ तो माइनस बी सी हो गया. बी सी एंड बी सी कैंसिल्ड आउट. ए बी इक्वल्स टू सी डी, ए बी इक्वल्स टू सी डी. हेंस प्रूव्ड. 7. Why is exam 5 in the list of Euclid's exam considered universal truth? Answer 7. Since this is true for anything in any part of the world, so this is a universal truth. Repeating, since this is true for anything in any part of the world, this is a universal truth. कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में किसी भी पार्ट में ये क्या है, ट्रू है, तो इसलिए ये यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ हो गया. सिंस दिस इज ट्रू फॉर एनीथिंग इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सो दिस इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. Important question of this exercise is question 1, 4 and 6. So please revise these 3 questions at least many times and other questions 1-2 times or 1 time only it will do. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक और शेयर करिए, कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट भी करिए ताकि मुझे पता तो चले कि मैं कैसा पढ़ा रहा हूँ, हाउ आई एम टीचिंग. थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.